Stop scrolling. I know why you're here. You're tired of the same cycle. Motivation fades and the hustle stops. You are done with average. You have giant dreams, but you lack the system to execute them. Welcome to your channel name. We are not here for feel-good fluff. We are here to build winners. This is your daily source for discipline, unshakable mindset, and practical strategies for success. We will teach you the science of habit building. We will show you how to conquer procrastination. We will turn your fear into fuel. If you're serious about taking absolute responsibility for your life, if you want to build a business, an empire, and a body that can handle it, then you are home. Your potential is waiting. It's time to stop wishing and start doing. Hit the subscribe button right now. Join the community of doers. Your journey to peak performance starts today. Don't miss the first step. Let's go.